In this video, we will learn about Linux operating system. Linux is an open source operating system, which means anyone can contribute to the code of Linux project on Git. The Linux kernel was created by a Finnish American software engineer named Linus Torvalds. You will also be surprised to know that Git, the most used version control system, was also created by him. Linux was created as a part of a project in which he wanted to create a Unix-like operating system which can be modified and used by anyone. There are various derivations and flavors of Linux operating system. Ubuntu is one of the most famous flavors of Linux operating system. It is maintained by an organization called Canonical. It is one of the most user-friendly Linux operating systems. Kali Linux is also one of the most important Linux operating systems. It is used for penetration testing by hackers. It is developed and maintained by an organization called Offensive Security. It contains about 600 penetration testing tools like Armitage, Nmap, Wireshark, John the Ripper, and many others. So if you're interested in hacking or any of that stuff, you should definitely check out to install Kali Linux operating system on your computer. That was just two of the Linux operating systems. There are many other distributions of Linux operating systems like Debian, Red Hat, Fedora, OpenSUSE, Mint, Deepin, ClearOS, CentOS, Arch Linux, Elementary OS, Zorin OS, etc. You might be wondering that what is the picture of penguin doing here? It is the mascot of Linux operating system and it's called Tux. We have learned so much about Linux operating system. Now let's go through where is it used. So Linux is used in almost 100% of the supercomputers all around the world. Supercomputers are used in various fields like quantum mechanics, weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration, molecular modeling, and many other scientific fields. The Android operating system, which is used in almost most of the smartphones used all around the world, also uses Linux kernel. Most of the data on internet is stored on servers which have Linux as operating system installed on them. This is due to the power of Linux that it can run 24 by 7 without needing it to restart for updates or any other software installation. That was lot of knowledge about Linux operating system. If you liked watching this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe our channel to view more such interesting videos.